Welcome to our channel, Auto Aficionados. In this episode, we embark on a journey through rugged power and premium performance. Join us as we delve into the world of utility all-terrain vehicles, or ATVs, shining a spotlight on the most expensive and impressive machines crafted to conquer the toughest tasks and terrains. Utility ATVs are celebrated for their versatility, seamlessly transitioning between off-road adventures, demanding farm work, and other rugged tasks. These robust vehicles are purpose-built to excel in challenging conditions, making them the top choice for various applications in diverse outdoor activities and recreation. Whether you're seeking an adrenaline-fueled adventure or gearing up to conquer difficult jobs, utility ATVs may just be your ideal solution. Our shortlist features the top 3 most expensive, yet incredibly worthwhile options for all your heavy-duty needs. Let's dive right in. This is Roxanne and you're watching Auto Aficionados, giving you the latest news and info on the most amazing vehicles and finest luxury cars. Ranking at number 3 is the Yamaha Grizzly 700 EPS SE. This ATV unleashes power with its robust 686 cubic centimeters single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, featuring SOHC and 4 valves for efficient power delivery. Its dimensions span around 6.8 feet in length, 4 feet in width, and 4.2 feet in height, providing a sturdy frame for conquering diverse terrains. With a comfortable seat height of 3 feet and a balanced wheelbase of 4.2 feet, the Grizzly ensures an enhanced riding experience. Navigating rugged landscapes is a breeze with its impressive 12 inches of ground clearance. Equipped for enduring performance in demanding conditions, the Yamaha Grizzly 700 EPS SE boasts a substantial 4.75 gallons fuel tank capacity and an oil tank capacity of 0.69 gallons. Combining beauty and power, the special edition model elevates its rugged capability with Maxxis Zilla tires, 14-inch aluminum wheels, and premium painted bodywork. The Ultramatic V-belt transmission offers seamless shifts with low, high, neutral, reverse, and park modes, complemented by front and rear wheel engine braking. The on-command drive system allows effortless shifts between 2WD, 4WD, and differential lock, while the Ackerman-type steering system with electronic power steering ensures precise control. Additional features include a front-mounted Warn VRX 25-winch and a 2-inch receiver trailer-style hitch for added functionality. This versatile ATV is now available at MSRP of approximately $15,000 US. Securing the second spot is the Polaris Sportsman XP1000 High Lifter Edition. Unleashing power with its impressive ProStar 4-stroke SOHC twin-cylinder engine, this ATV boasts a formidable 85 horsepower, making it the perfect choice for conquering rough terrains. The ATV is equipped with a one-touch on-demand AWD or 2WD drive system and an engine braking system or EBS, ensuring versatile control and stability for both work and leisure. With a robust build measuring 6.9 feet in length, 3.96 feet in width, and 4.23 feet in height, it's designed to excel in various tasks. Adding to its utility, the Polaris Sportsman XP1000 High Lifter Edition offers a substantial front rack capacity of 120 pounds and a rear rack capacity of 240 pounds, ideal for carrying heavy loads. With a fuel capacity of 5.25 gallons, it allows for extended rides without frequent refueling. Notably, the impressive ground clearance of 12 inches enables it to navigate challenging terrains with ease. Renowned as the ultimate mud machine, key features include high-mount air intakes and clutch ducting to ensure clean, cool air enters the engine during mud and water traversal. The ATV is equipped with 30-inch Outlaw 2 tires and 14-inch aluminum wheels, providing exceptional clearance and handling over deep mud, rocks, and trails. Enhancing its rugged capabilities further, the 3,500-pound winch factory installed on the Sportsman XP1000 Mud Edition offers ample pulling power for recovery operations. This exceptional model has a reported starting price of $15,500. Before we proceed with the rest of this list, we're happy to let you know that we now have another way for you to support our content. As you already know, we're not really here to sell you anything, but you can now send us a one-time donation by visiting the link on screen or by clicking the link in the description box. Every contribution you make helps us grow in order to bring you more useful and entertaining content. Thank you, and we truly appreciate all of your support. At the top of our selection is the Can-Am Outlander XXC 1000R, purpose-built to conquer the most challenging terrains with unwavering authority. This rugged off-road vehicle boasts a potent 91 horsepower Rotax 976 cubic centimeters V-twin liquid-cooled engine, featuring intelligent throttle control and electronic fuel injection for efficient and commanding performance. Its selectable 2WD or 4WD drivetrain with Viscolock QE auto-locking front differential ensures exceptional traction, while the tri-mode dynamic power steering enhances handling for optimal control. Crafted with stability and maneuverability in mind, it measures 7 feet in length, 4 feet in width, and 4.13 feet in height. With a generous 11 inches of ground clearance and a manageable dry weight of 895 pounds, it maneuvers through tough terrains effortlessly. Can-Am's Outlander XXC 1000R stands out as a premium ATV, renowned for its quality. Practical features include a rear rack with a 200-pound capacity, 5.7-gallon storage, an impressive 1,650-pound towing capacity, and a 5.4-gallon fuel capacity to fuel your off-road adventures. Boasting a 7.6-inch digital display, RF digitally encoded security system for anti-theft, powerful LED headlights, 3-wide winch capability, and a standard comfortable seat, it combines luxury with functionality. Protection features include an aluminum front bumper, taper profile handlebar with handguards, skid plates for the front, center, and footwells, A-arms protectors, and mudguards for rugged off-road durability. This utility ATV is a testament to Can-Am's commitment to delivering excellence in the off-road realm, with a starting price of approximately $16,000. Which one of these utility ATVs would you like to own someday for your next off-road adventure? Did we miss anything that deserves to be on this list? Share your favorite models with us in the comments. And speaking of adventures, have you ever had an unforgettable ATV experience? Share your stories with us as well. We'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this video, stay in the loop by hitting that like button. subscribe for updates, and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss any of our future videos. Drive safe out there!